Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS video project. My name is Aslan and I'm going to lead you to study about grammar. At this time we are going to learn about a few, little and a little. So first of all, how we distinguish all of them in our sentence. So first is a few with the article a, and then few with no article are used with the countable nouns, while a little with the article a and little with no article are used with uncountable nouns. So we need to consider about this, especially when we are speaking or in writing. So to make it more clearly, let's make a sentence. A few. She has been here only for 2 months, but she has already made a few friends. So in this sentence, she has already made a few friends indicate a positive ideas, mean she has met some friends already. Number 2, a little. I'm very happy because I have been able to save a little money this month. So in this sentence, you see that I have been able to save a little money indicate positive idea. Means that I have been able to save some amount of money instead of spending all of it. Okay, number 3, few. I feel sorry for her. She has very few friends. In this sentence, you have to underline she has a very few friends means she has less friends, even no friend. Number 4, little. I have a very little money, even I don't even have enough money to buy my own food for dinner. So sad. So in this sentence, this to express a negative idea means that you have not much money. So from this sentence, you may understand how to use a few, a little, and little in your sentence. So thank you for your attention. I will see you again next time. Bye.